front door.
Hayden, that's the start of your new car.
Yeah. You know the hubcaps that we found?
Derek, we found the car mat to the car.
There's probably an entire car buried out here in pieces.
I got dibs on carrying it.
I'm recording all this.
This is gonna be interesting. Tell Mr. Samuel. Yeah, we found a car door in the woods. We don't know if there's a body in it. We found a car door.
I'm almost impressed that there's the rest of the car.
Yeah. Probably like buried under the ground.
Okay.
Daniel, check what you're standing on.
There's another piece here. That's a door?
Yeah.
Here, I'm bringing that out. Hey, carry the back of that.
Derek, we should play this tomorrow at the meeting.
Well, I'm gonna throw it on the Windows Movie Maker.
Alright, Hayden, you have the door to your car.
Still missing the engine block.
Okay, pick it up from that end.
Wait, show it to the camera.
You may need a couple new pieces, but there's your start.
Wait, stop. I need to get video.
What is that? A cord?
Code 92.
Alright, Hayden, get in
Okay,
there.
flip it.
Sit down on the ground and just like...
Yeah.
Look out the window. I'll put your arm up there.
I'm taking video, I'm not taking photos.
Take a photo. This is still going on Facebook. If you take a picture.